Today's demo video is on the premium features of gift cards for WooCommerce Pro plugin, and this is the part 2 of the video in which I will demonstrate what are the premium features included in this plugin. You can check and buy the plugin from the video's description, or for any doubt you can put your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. So let us proceed to the backend settings. So we are on the WordPress dashboard, and in this video we will discuss some more premium features of this gift cards for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So if you are looking to watch the part 1 of this video, so we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch it from there. So you can also click on this I button to watch the part 1 of the premium features of this plugin. So let's hover on gift cards and click on settings. So we are on the backend settings, and let's first quickly see. As you can see that we have updated the gift card page layout. So simply you can enable it by simply clicking on this. So this is the field of enable new layout. So from here you can enable this and you can click on save changes. So in the part 1 of the video I have explained you till import and export. So from here, this discount tab, I will be explaining you about more premium features from this tab. And group gifting, already we have created a separate video, so I have mentioned the link in the description content, and you can also click on this I button to watch the group gifting feature in detail. So once you have enabled this and you have clicked on save changes, so now let's go to shop page. So as you can see that this is the new layout that we have provided. Like here, as you can see that this is the delivery method. From here the customer can choose like download, shipping, mail, and whatever the gift message, or so as you can see that we have changed all the layout. Let me show you what is the difference between old and new layout. So let me go to the backend settings and let me click on save changes, and now let me go to front end. So as you can see that this was the old layout that was there, but we have updated it. So if you want to use the updated layout or old layout, so it depends on you. So you can enable or disable it from the backend. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So from here you can easily enable or disable this new layout feature, and you can click on save changes. Now let's proceed to the more premium features. So firstly let me click on discount. So in the premium version you also get this functionality, like you can provide the discount on gift card products by enabling this from here, and you can select the discount type as fixed or percentage. Moreover, you can also enter the discount, you can decide the discount within this price range. Like if I decide minimum amount should be 10 and maximum should be 500, so the discount amount should be 30. You can also create series for this. Like if I will click on add more, and here I can type 300 and to 700, so the discount should be let's suppose I have decided from minimum should be 600 and maximum should be 700, and the discount should be 40% on this particular on gift cards. So from here you can easily decide this, and you can give the discounts on particular gift cards for your customers. So this was all about the discount settings. Now let us move to thank you order. So we have provided one more functionality, if you want to gift coupon as a thank you for your customer. So from here you can enable this functionality, and next you can decide on which particular order status this thank you gift coupon will be rewarded for the customer, like creation, processing, or complete. So for now I have selected complete, and next you can also decide on what particular number of orders this thank you gift card would be sent. So I have decided number of orders should be 1, and I have not set any expiry, that is 0. There is no expiry. And here I have decided the thank you gift coupon type as fixed, and here you can also decide enter a thank you message for your customers. So from here you can customize the thank you message, and you can also use the short codes for coupon code, coupon amount, and here you can also decide the coupon amount within order range. So from here you can add this. Let's suppose I have here, let me decide enter coupon amount within order range. So I have decided 10 and maximum should be 200, and thank you gift amount coupon should be 100. So let me click on save changes, and now let's go to the front end, and now let me proceed to add to cart. So now let me complete the order. So the order I have selected to complete. Now I should receive an email for the gift coupon, because we have placed the order within the set limit range. So let me click on let me open the Gmail. So as you can see that I have received this gift coupon. As you can see that thank you coupon is received. So this is the coupon, and this is the coupon amount that we have decided, and we have not decided any expiration, so no expiration is there. So this is how this functionality works. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So this was all about the thank you order tab. Now let us move to next tab, that is QR and barcode. So we have also provided this functionality of QR and barcode, where the admin can also provide the functionality of QR code that will be displayed in the email template, or if the admin wants to show the barcode, so from here the admin can enable this. Like let's suppose if the admin selects QR code, so if the admin wants to display the coupon code also along with the QR code, so from here he can enable this, and here he can decide this particular QR code settings are there, ECC levels and QR code, size of the QR code and margin. So from here we have provided each settings that you can customize for the QR code and barcode. So let's suppose I have selected this, and let me click on save changes. And now let me place any order, or let me purchase any gift card. So let me quickly fill in the details and purchase this gift card. So as you can see that as we have entered my email for the recipient, and as you can see that we have decided the coupon code QR code, so it is displaying here, and whatever the description that we have written and what the recipient and from which person we have received, so it is coming here, and there is this is the coupon amount that is showing here. So this is the gift card of $100, it is coming here. So this is how this functionality of QR code and barcode settings work. So basically according to the requirements of the admin or WooCommerce merchants, so the admin can enable the QR code functionality or barcode functionality from here. And if the admin wants to display the coupon code also, so from here he can enable this for the barcode as well as for the QR code. So this was all about the QR code and barcode tab. Now let us proceed to next tab, that is customizable gift card. So we have also provided like this functionality of customizable gift cards. So from here this functionality can be enabled, and if the admin wants to create a new gift card, so from here simply the admin can click on this, so the new gift card will be created. So this is the gift card. So let me type like Easter gift card, and I have decided like this, and let me click on publish, and let me view this. So basically this is the gift card that was created instantly, like this is the Easter gift card, and here are the gift card details. And as you can see that the customer can easily customize the gift card as per his requirements. Like simply he can choose the image from here, like whatever the default images are provided. And next, if the admin wants to customize these these colors, so we have also provided this functionality. So let me again go back to the backend settings. So from here the admin can easily select the color for background, color for middle selection template, and for disclaimer section. Like let me change this color to like this, and I have changed this color to, and this is how the admin can easily customize the background colors, and for also customize the color for selection template and disclaimer section template. And once he have decided this, once he has customized this, if the admin wants to like upload the default gift card image, so from here he can upload the default image, and here he can also upload the, so from here the admin, if the admin wants to upload the default gift card image, so from here he can do it, and he can also upload the images for email template. And in this functionality we have like provided these functionalities by which the admin can fully control, like if the admin wants to allow default template images, or if the admin wants to allow uploaded template images, or if the admin wants to allow uploaded images and retain default images. So like let's suppose I have selected this, like allow uploaded images also, and the default images also are showing. So this is the option. And if the admin wants to like allow only uploaded template images, so the admin can click on this and click on save changes. So now let me go to front end. So here only the option of uploading the image is coming here, so the customer can only upload the image and then he can customize this. And as you can see that the background color and the disclaimer template color is coming here as we have decided from the backend. So let us again go back to the backend settings. So this is how the admin can select, like if the admin wants to allow default template images or uploaded template images, or if he wants to allow both the options. So from here he can easily select this. So this is how the admin can easily decide, like if he wants to allow default template images or uploaded template images, or if he wants to show both the options. So from here he can enable this. So this is how this functionality of customizable gift cards works. So basically it will be very helpful or beneficial for the customers, because they can easily customize their gift cards as per their needs, and they can easily upload the images and customize the gift cards as per their requirements, and then the customers can easily give their gift cards to whomsoever they want to send. So this was all about the customizable gift cards. So now let us move to next tab, that is notifications. So we are on the notification settings tab. So basically here we have provided the functionality of PDF link. So if the admin wants to provide a PDF link, or if you want to provide a gift card PDF link via email, so from here this functionality can be enabled. And firstly you have to enable the PDF feature in the other settings tab. So in the other settings tab you can enable that, and then you can enable it here. And like this is the PDF that is coming here. So this is coming because this functionality has been enabled. And if the admin wants to enable the WhatsApp sharing feature, so from here this functionality can be enabled. So basically it will allow the customers to share via WhatsApp, like here this is the option coming as like share on WhatsApp. So simply the customer can click on this, and here the admin can share this PDF link. Like this is the link, as you can see that the customer can easily share via WhatsApp. So this is how this functionality of WhatsApp sharing and PDF link works. And the admin can also enable the SMS notification, and here the admin can also draft the message content with the help of provided shortcodes. So this was all about the notification settings tab. And the next tab, that is gift card redeem. So I have already explained you in the free version video, so you can click on this I button to watch this, how you can redeem the gift cards easily. So you can watch the video by clicking on this I button. So this was all about the premium features. Now let us see some more features, like let me go to templates. So here we have provided multiple templates that the customer can choose, and here the admin can also import new templates, or if the admin wants to edit the template. So we have also provided this, like if the admin wants to edit like this, so you can simply click on edit. So here we have provided multiple shortcodes that will help the admin to easily create any template without any hassle. And we have also provided shortcode along with the description, like with the help of this shortcode what the admin can do. And here this is the template, already default template that is provided. So if the admin wants to customize this, so from here the admin can easily customize, like he can place the shortcodes, and directly all the text according to the shortcodes will change. Like if the admin wants to show order ID, so he can copy this shortcode and he can place it here. Like let's suppose if I want to copy this, and here if I will place this, so here it will show order ID. So accordingly the admin can place the shortcodes in the template and change the template as per his requirements. And this is the custom CSS that we have provided. So the admin can provide the custom CSS as per his requirements. So this is how the admin can easily customize these templates. And if the admin wants to create or add new templates, so from here he can click on this. So here the admin can easily start creating the template from fresh. And if the admin wants to import the template, so from here he can click on this. And these are templates we have provided. So that if the admin wants to import all the gift card templates at once, so from here he can do this. And here he can find out different templates that we have provided in our plugin. So this was all about the templates and how the admin can easily customize these templates. So let us again go back to the settings. So this was all about the part 2 video of the gift cards for WooCommerce Pro plugin. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description content. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime. And if you are facing any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section.
And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest update related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.